Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. If you've got a small space, you're gonna love today's video. These are the things you're actually gonna wanna check out.
All new spring secrets you gotta check out. I've got 15 of them starting at just $1.25, and you do not need a green thumb. These are tricks anybody can do. 5 minutes or less, perfect for renters too.
Today, we're at the dollar store.
This is Pop Shelf, a sister store to the Dollar General. Everything you see in here, though, can also be seen at the Dollar General, and we're gonna stop at Dollar Tree too. If you have a tiny outdoor area like me, here's how to make it luxe on a dime.
We are gonna make a porch DIY. The Dollar General sells tables that are perfect for your porches at that $25 price point. But I like to have extra storage wherever I can get it. So what you can do is grab one of these urns. They come in all different shapes and sizes. I really like some of the texture on these, and some of them, they actually have little wooden lifts that you can build and put together.
The Dollar Tree and the Dollar General sell these urns for just $5. Look how beautiful these planters are. But what I wanted to do is grab a really big planter and grab a tray. I've got tons of these at home. You probably thrifted one or have one, and set it on top. You've got instant storage for all of those pillows at home. Get creative with this. Depending on the planter or the urn that you choose, you can have lots of different tops to carry inside for drinks.
Look how gorgeous this wreath is for 15 bucks. That's a great price. It's even better than a Dollar Tree DIY.
Not everyone has $80 to spend on a wreath, and not everyone has a DIY gene. I love this pre-made look for so cheap.
Always check for sales and discounts. These pillows are 50% off.
End of season clearance, you can get pillows for right around $6 at the Dollar General. The blankets are softer than Walmart and they're cheaper. They're perfect for an outdoor space. If you're really trying to save though, get a canvas tote from the Dollar Tree. I just cut off the handles and I stuck an old pillow I had inside. And then I hot glued this together. To make it stay and easier to work with, I took a safety pin and put it into the top. And then I added hot glue to the sides. They have so many different designs and patterns. These look incredible on a front porch for just $1.25.
They also have these rugs over here. I love getting rugs to layer for my front porch from the Dollar General.
If you buy nothing else for spring from the dollar store, I recommend the rugs. And remember, you get $5 off of a $25 purchase on Saturdays in the Dollar General app. You can add this right to your wallet and redeem in store or even shop online. These rugs, y'all, are so high quality though. They have jute rugs, which are a phenomenal score. They have runners and lots of smaller ones for tiny porch areas. These are also really easy to power wash. The Pottery Barn prices, holy bananas. You do not need to spend that much for a jute rug. These were just $12 and the welcome mats are $6. $6, my friends. And my favorite thing to do is to layer the rugs. I really liked this one. I loved the black woven look. They're really easy to throw in your wash as well. And this hello mat spoke to me. We're gonna head back to Dollar Tree soon, and stick around because I have kind of a weird DIY, but I think you're gonna love it.
This is the spot that I have been waiting for, the kitchen section. There are lots of really great scores. I was so excited about this. Look at how pretty these are.
I was so impressed with the Dollar General entertainment options this year, and everything is only a few dollars a piece. These drink stir sticks, which are so beautiful, were just $3. And here is my 35-calorie drink that I have been loving. Y'all, it is so good. And no, nothing in this video is sponsored. It's by Fever Tree. This is the pink grapefruit juice. I put this in these really gorgeous mugs. Optional is a splash of watermelon kombucha on the top. Oh my goodness, so good. I put lime in this, mint. You could do raspberries, rosemary, whatever you want, but the lime is key. And I've been really enjoying making this every night. The kids love it too, and we sit outside. I think this area, even though it's small, is really a great opportunity for connection.
This is what I came here for. These are planters for over your banister. If you have got a small space, this is a great way to start an herb garden. And I'm gonna show you just how to do that on a budget.
And don't worry, just drill some holes in the bottom. I'm gonna teach you how to do this without a green thumb. One of the greatest buys from the Dollar Tree are their seed packs. You get 4 of these for $1. They're highly rated even by pro gardeners, and I'm gonna link down below so you can find your hardiness zone. If you know when to plant things, it makes it so much easier. Everything you see here is from the Dollar Tree. They even have bulbs. The ranunculus got me really excited because this is so much more expensive anywhere else that you would get them. And I also love that they have these decomposable little pots for just $1.25. I was really excited to plant these. All you have to do is soak these for a couple hours and plant. I'll be sure to update you guys on Instagram when they start growing. In the planter boxes, I decided to do a mini herb garden. I put some rocks in the bottom of this to give it some weight. I lined the box with weed barrier, and then I planted some romaine and butter lettuce just because it's so easy to grow. Another thing that's really easy if you're looking for something is green beans. Those are two pretty foolproof methods, even if the weather is still a little bit chilly. This works really great if you have a small space and a banister. Maybe you live in an apartment. I love how this looks, and we've been going to it every single day. And you might not know this, so stick around. Dollar General has cheaper lighting than almost any other store. The solar lights are just $1.
Hey Charlie, check this out. They also have these. Let me know in the comments down below if you think these are cute or tacky. I'm of the mindset that they're actually kind of cute.
Back to the Dollar Tree. These fire starts are new this year and are perfect for outdoor fire pit, and they also have the Job's plant sticks. This is going to give them fertilizer. I put 4 in each of my plants. These flowers really were on the fritz, but they have lasted for so much longer because I'm fertilizing them properly. I also love the gardening shears. These again are rated highly by pro gardeners.
Look at this like purple plate. How pretty is that? And they have little flowers.
I am loving these shatterproof plates from Dollar General. They're actually made in Portugal. All of their entertaining wear is totally giving Pottery Barn. Let me know what you think.
I love the garden section at the Dollar General. Every year they knock it out of the park with all of this signage. It's all matching. You can get anything that you're looking for about $10 to $15.
I'm always trying to find the cutest items at the cheapest price point just to keep it easy for you guys. Lots of these are reminding me of the signage I was seeing at Target. But this is my secret trick I want to show you from Dollar Tree. Did you know they now have plastic ferns? You kind of have to dig for them a little bit, but when you find them at just $1.25, these are great. I want you to buy some foam squares. I stuck a dowel rod through these, and I added 3 sprigs to each one. And I'm going to make a DIY planter box. I also added some wisteria, again from the Dollar Tree, to the top. You could use this in the Dollar General planter boxes, or I have some underneath of their windows. Because these are so high up, they look incredibly realistic, and you can do this really affordably. I added some Dollar Tree sandbags on top just to keep these in place so they don't blow away. One comment I get a lot, and by a lot, I mean a lot, is that you can't find this stuff in your Dollar Trees. Well, I'm going to link for you some artificial plants that you can buy online that are going to rival the Dollar Tree's price. I just took a wooden crate here. You can stick these inside, and what's really great is they are less likely to fade. I really like the purple color on these. You can also do greeneries and maybe intermix some Dollar Tree florals. But let me know what you think of this in the comments below.
My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon. I don't know who needs to decant their milk. Leave me a comment down below. Is this taking it too far? Charlie, what do you think?
Totally. Comes in the container already.